Hi guys,
We're here at Agoo.
Agoo. Uy, blurred. Kasi it's cinematic.
Background ka lang to.
Tignan niyo, wala pala. Hi guys, we're here at Ellie.
Pero dito, parang ko naman yan.
Experience na nabasag ng kali. Parang kami na naman nabasag tayo. Let's go.
Shot ka lang mamaya. Dancing queen.
As you were Romeo. And my daddy said, stay away from here.
Ikaw naman daw. Ikaw naman.
Cause you know you man. Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Talaga nasa harap dapat eh. May flash pala ba? Gano'n ka lang mo? Baby, sama niya.
Hi guys. Wait.
Ang laki ng parking natin.
Hi guys. Here at Eco Park. Agoo Eco Park. Yun lang. We're gonna rent Manigers.
So good, right?
Hi guys. Eugene. We're here at Agoo Eco Park. Tawag yan.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love.
Picture ka, picture?
I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
Magpo-focus siya sa mga specific person. So, sa'yo lang sa ganyan.
video.
Hi guys, this is for memory. This is
Sali ako.
This is your parents.
Ay, ang ganda na. Ay,
By the way, Mario from Pangasinan.